Original. You're from? Pakistan. Pakistani.
It's not a too big you see low. Free for you, no problem. It's like something movie today not.
Araw nga ay dumayo kami sa A. Mabini Street, San Pedro City, Laguna para sa natikman ng isa sa original na nagsiserve ng halo-halo. Pero sa kasamaang palad ay sarado nga sila tuwing hapon ng linggo. At isa nga sa nakapukaw ng atensyon ko dito ay si Sir Muhammad na nagtitinda ng iba't ibang uring Pakistani food. Kaya naman, tikman natin. When did you start?
Start almost like one and a half years ago.
Every day.
Here, dito sa
San Pedro. Dito sa ano?
Last year, September, October, November, December.
From what time?
3 to 6 o'clock.
Hanggang maubos
Depende
na.
kung maubos na.
Nakaraan natin ito magkano ito ya? 130 pesos. Biryani. At saka basmati rice talaga siya.
Oriental basmati rice.
Basmati rice. Yes. Let's try it. Oh. Original. You're from? Pakistan. Pakistani. May panipuri din siya at dinis na.
Okay.
Let's try the panipuri.
And then free for you, no problem. Okay, you take this one, and then after that we're gonna finish. We have hummus, like olive oil with hummus also. We have roti, we have samosa. You can whatever you like it. Yeah.
Legit basmati rice with chicken biryani.
You never learn anything new because you stay with your. I can say to you, no, I think to your mama.
Very good. Let's try this one. Talagang 120 pesos. 130 pesos. 1 piece chicken. Legs. And with basmati rice. Basmati rice talaga siya, guys. Talagang legit ang spices niya.
Open for you.
Sobrang generous ni sir kasi tinan mo siya yung nagsiserve. So this is the samosa. How much for the samosa?
25.
25 pesos. 25 pesos samosa. With this. What's this?
You can use this one sauce.
This is tomato sauce? Tomato.
Same.
Made from
we have
tomato.
another sauce also. It's up to you. You want to use this one? You can use it.
Oh, yeah. I used that when I was
It's not a too big you see low.
Let's give it a try.
This one more delicious.
Meron siyang potato. Cumin. Lasang-lasa mo yung spices talaga. More like empanada yung texture niya. Pero lasang-lasa mo yung spices talaga. Talagang legit. Very good. Yes, sir. Chapati?
Oh.
Roti?
Roti, chapati,
Roti.
hummus, we call same, no, the same.
Same.
He said like that side. Give me another one gloves. I don't know that. You see the big size, no? Right? The size is bigger and it's completely cooked. 110 grams.
110 grams.
Yeah. Specifically in a SM mall is available. That's very small, no? Like like that size, no? Like this size.
Yeah.
It's a 70 gram. I know. All I check because it's my experience, and we can make by our own hand, no? We can make with a fire. Yeah, we can make with a fire. We can make, like oven. We make it a fry pan. No, this is the fry pan one, and it will be stay for 1 week.
1 week?
Yeah, you can.
Even in the room temperature?
No, not room.
In the fridge?
Yeah, the fridge.
You're just gonna heat it up?
Yeah. You can reheat it because we're using, the good quality plastic, no, with a seal
Yeah,
tag.
sealed.
When the air is not coming, so it will be stay for 1
It's
week.
like a Philippine Ziploc.
Ziploc. If
Yeah.
you want to keep in a frozen, you can use it for the 1 month or maybe 1 year. You can make frozen, yeah. Make it frozen, but it's a half cook. When we make it a half cook, we can keep for 1 years until no problem. But 1 month is the possible, 1 month.
You're just gonna heat it up in the stove
You
directly,
can make it fry
directly
pan,
in the
yeah,
fire.
fry pan or oven. I
Microwave.
oven is the best. Microwave is just no. It's reheat. It's an already cooked one, no. If it's cooked one, this is a cooked one. When you make a frozen, you can reheat in a 1 minute and then you
It's
consume
good.
it. Yeah.
It's still the same.
Yeah.
The texture is still the same. Okay, let's try
You
it.
wanna try this
yes.
one?
And
Hummus.
how much is the hummus?
70.
70 pesos hummus. Oh my gosh. Alam nyo ba, ang ingredients ng hummus ay napakamahal. Especially yung mga spices. Kahit yung 70 pesos nyo, 70 pesos is really worth it. Let's try it.
Make it over.
Okay. So, I just gonna...
Try it.
It's so very generous. Yeah, they're doing it.
It's like something movie. This is
Hindi siya
super
maalat.
healthy.
Most commonly ang hummus maalat. Pero ito,
This is healthy, with a garlic, ginger, and olive oil, and garbanzos. Which one we call chickpeas, right?
chickpeas here in the
Chickpeas.
Philippines. Chickpeas.
Yeah, no, actually this is imported from our country, that's why I have a big piece. The imported one, which one is coming in a can, that's, no.
This is a good quality.
Yeah, good quality.
Good quality. For 70 pesos.
You can see the
And this
piece,
one
the
is?
bigger one, look, the bigger.
How much for this?
25.
25 pesos. Talagang, oh my gosh.
Big one.
Mas malaki pa siya sa mukha ko. Kahit dalawang mukha ko. Talagang sulit. Ito ba? Ganito siya kakainin talaga. Kahit sa mga restaurant at kung nasa spices. Very good, sir. At isa pa guys, nag-o-offer din sila ng shawarma. What's the flavor of shawarma?
Chicken po.
Chicken. Chicken
We have a
shawarma.
beef also, but beef is finished.
Meron din silang beef, pero dahil nga medyo alanganing oras na ngayon, naubos na, ang available na lang is chicken. This is a legit shawarma siya from Pakistan dahil ang nagawa is legit Pakistan. Let's give it a try. So, ito ganito siya kalap. And ito yung
Now you
sauce
can try
niya.
the sauce.
So, ito ganito siya. And sa loob, what's inside, sir? What's the chicken and that's
Like
gulay. So, sobrang, how many years are you staying here in the Philippines?
Mexican jalapeno,
Oh, Mexican jalapeno.
sometimes with fries also, but today not.
Itlog lang. Sarap. Ibang level. Repolyo, pipino, at chicken. Pero ang nagpapangibabaw sa kanya, yung spices lang.
That's why you have not the smart become like
60 pesos? Shawarma, legit. Dito ka na.
Additional 10 pesos.
What's your name?
My name is Mohammed.
Muhammad. Okay. You're located in?
I have my restaurant in Binian. I have my own restaurant in Binian where I'm living also. And I have second branch also I make, but I close it later on. I have a plan to make it one branch in Santa Rosa. But this is my trial work. That's why 3 months almost here in Binian. On the roadside I am trying now. But when I found the place, I will make perfect my Pakistani cuisine. No? So basically, we have a Pakistani, Indian, and Arab cuisine is the same. So, but we are the one, you know, Pakistani. We are the one best in basmati rice.
And your basmati rice, where do you get this? Import?
Yeah, imported.
You import it?
So, yes, yes. This is
Imported.
coming from Pakistan. And it's coming from Pakistan, and you know we get it from Manila also. I have Pakistani friend who they are the one import from Pakistan basically. So we have a type of rice, no. So specifically, I want to eat in this video to show the people can know, no. They have a two type of rice. One is basmati, one is sela. It's actually same. It's growing up, you know. It's become longer,
No,
no,
it's
shape
long
like
grain.
you see, long grain, no. But basmati is high fragrance.
Oh, it's much
The
more.
aroma is super, you know, delicious, and the rice can stable for longer. You know, after cooking, no, it's stable longer. But sela is softness, which one we can use for the sweet rice. Same like your Filipino people you
Oh,
using, no,
yeah, yeah, but longer grain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's look like a biryani, but it's called sweet. We can use for the coconut. We can, you know, like with a color, different kind of green, blue color. No? Maybe you can show the video then you will
And
know.
this one is basmati or sela?
Yeah,
Sela
actually
rice
this is
or
sela.
Sela.
This sela, that's why it's
This
long.
is
No,
sela.
basmati is more fragrance. No, it's a high expensive. That's more
Yeah,
proud.
yeah, it's expensive.
But it's not so issue. We can found it no easily.
Yeah, but it's like the same.
Yeah. Actually the
Okay,
same.
the same.
Same. It's the same. So basmati taking like, you know, I told you, no, longer time. No, it can stable. You know, like 24 hours. This will be stable until 12 hours. Like,
Thank you so much, sir. Layo kayo dito sa San Pedro City, Laguna. Halos katapat siya ng Mercury Drug. Dito lang yan. Anong roadside lang sila? Dito sa Suki Market. Ito ang Suki Market. Nandito lang sila. Ito yung hagdan. Ito yung pinaka-trademark. Ito yung hagdan. Dito sila sa baba. Dito sila located. At thank you so much. Starting before like twice. And like, yeah, you need exposure. Like,
I saw you,
yeah,
remember it.
your food is so good.
Uh-huh.
You need to build a restaurant. Like, so thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sir Muhammad.
Thank you.
Mga legit na pagkain ng Pakistani. May take-out pa tayo. At talagang sobrang bait ni Sir. Deserve niya talagang magkaroon ng sariling restaurant. Kaya naman, I'm rooting for him. Talagang kung magkaka-restaurant man siya, isa ako sa magiging regular customer. Dito lang yan sa San Pedro City, Laguna.
Thank you, nagtira ka! sabi ni ate, ala, ay, lahat na kinain mo, hindi ba nabubusog?